it's Miss Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY building blocks. So today all we're going to need is some cardboard, which you can use from an old box or an old poster board or anything you have that's made of cardboard. We're also going to need some scissors, and today we're going to use our amazing imaginations and creativity to make something really cool. So let's get started. So first we're going to make our building blocks out of cardboard, and this is what mine look like. And to make them, I just cut out a piece of cardboard and I made them into squares or rectangles, but you can really make any shape that you like, circles, triangles, anything you'd like to use to build something. And then I took some scissors to make these little dashes here and just cut along my shape on the sides, not going all the way across, just to make a little flap so it's easier to put my pieces together. And then I cut a little teeny triangle just so there's more space to fit the pieces in between. All the way around here. And there we go. These are my building block pieces. And now we're going to use our amazing creativity to make something ourselves. So you can really make anything that you can think of and be really creative with it. You can make a rocket ship, you can make buildings, you can make anything that you want. So let's see what I can create. All right, so I'm going to start with just a couple pieces first and see what I build. And you can also color your pieces on each side if you want to add a little pop of color. So I think I'm gonna start here and maybe make some sort of base. All right, now maybe I'll build upwards. And you can switch around your design, see what you like best as you're working. I think I'm gonna try to squeeze one piece right in the middle here. Maybe one more on top. And there we go. This is what I created. Kind of a building, almost looks like an Eiffel Tower, a little squish. But you can have fun creating whatever you can think of and use your imagination. I hope you enjoyed this activity and make something really fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.